Nice and loose here. Oh. How do you want me? Let's go face down, we'll check your spine. Adjusting Dr. Ahmed today. Even the chiros need to get adjusted, don't they?
Absolutely.
Okay. Nice and loose, right in through. Yeah. Let that go all the way down. Good.
Oh, nice.
Nice and loose here, let that go all the way down. Good.
I was already going before you even did it.
How's the neck?
Next sore too. I've got to adjust on the Sunday.
Oh yeah?
But it's still sore.
Left there. Cool. Let's do right side first. Nice and loose here. Oh. Very good. And that left side then. Nice and loose. Amazing. Deep breath in. All the way out.
You're a legend.
All done.
Thank you.